shorty, throw that back. You.
Ain't nobody guarding shit. Okay, this ain't no real boxing match.
I'm banging hard.
Come on, Lamonte.
I'm banging that bitch.
You got a longer reach. You should have been jabbing like hell.
Tired too.
Got him. Got him.
No. Hell yeah.
Got him. Got him.
Oh hell.
Yeah, Lamonte. That's what I'm talking about. Yo.
That nigga kid is stupid.
Well, that's part one.
So I had to get out the way.